We are going to use simple lines and shapes to design our own teepee. You're going to make this exaggerated X letter with the top being small and the legs being wide. Then connect the bottom with a curve. In the middle, we're going to add a triangle for the opening of our teepee. If you want to make it look real, add a little squiggly line to the edge of the triangle for an opening flap. You don't have to do the same patterns on your teepee as I do. You can design your own patterns. We're going to create the horizon line next, and that's going to be a line coming from the left side across your teepee, and if you have to pick up your pencil you can, and continue that line to the right side of the paper. You can also add a mountain range, and that's made by drawing just some zigzag lines above our horizon line. Now if you have to cross over your teepee, pick up your pencil. I'm going to go ahead and draw a little fire here, but you don't have to. If you're going to draw a little fire, you're just going to create curvy lines with points on the end. Alright, now for the funnest part, adding all of our color. So I want to make sure that all of my page has color on it. I don't want to leave any white because it's not often that we see just the blank color white in the real world. So I'm going to fill my entire artwork with color. You can also go back and add any details that you feel are necessary. It didn't make sense for me just to have fire sitting on grass, so I went ahead and drew some logs with it as well.